Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to do GST registration video. First we have to search on the Google the GST portal. Have to click on this GST portal. Then we have to go to the registration, click on it. Then you will see a portal like this. First we have to write what are you? Taxpayer, tax deductor or a tax collector. So first we will write taxpayer. Here you have to select your state in whichever state you live and it's in your PAN card. Here you have to select your district. For example, my state is Maharashtra and district is Mumbai. Then you have to write the name of your legal business or your full name with capital letters as mentioned in the PAN card. Here you have to write your PAN card number, right? Like A, B, C, D, E. The number will be given on your PAN card, or you can write here your, like, for example, your name. Then you have to write your email ID in which you will get the code to log in further, and your number here. Also, this letters mentioned in this. So it's 472835. And OTP from the mobile and the email you have written before, and you have to write it down here carefully, and then you have to proceed. After that, you have successfully submitted part of the registration process, and your temporary reference number, that is TRN, is given. You have to copy it and keep it with you, and the part B needs to be completed within 15 days from now, and you have to use the TRN and you have to proceed after copying the TRN number that is given to you. Then you will get this site again where it's the new registration and the TRN number. You have to click on the TRN number and you have to copy down that TRN number there, and then you have to write down the characters seen in the image below and proceed. You will again get a mobile and OTP on the mobile and email. You have to copy it down. After copy it down, you have to proceed. Then you will have the creation date and the expiry date and the status draft and the actions. You have to click on the actions. There you will get the dashboard where you will have all the information about the profile, which should 0%. They have to fill all of it. The due date. First will be the detail of your business, legal name of the business, the PAN number, and the creation of the PAN number. You have to write the trade name. Then the trade name will be anything given, and then it will be the constitution of business. You have to select whatever it is. For example, proprietorship, and then you have to select name of the state and the district. Then you have to ask for applying for the, are you applying for the casual or not. After that, you have the reason to obtain registration. You have to select from the following options. It can be anything: interstate supply, that will be you are supplying the goods to another state, or you can choose voluntary basis, that is you're doing it willingly. And then you have to select the date of commencement of business. That can be anything before the 30 month from the date you have registered. So it will show the commencement of a business. Then you have to save and proceed. Now it will show 11% of the work is done. You have to do another thing to get it to 100%. After doing business detail, we will do promoter and partners, then authorized signatory, then the representative, then other things. So let's head to the next one, that is the promoter and planner. The details of the proprietor, that is you, will be given, and then you have to write your father's name, mid name and all, your birth date, your number, your email number, email ID, your Gmail, then your gender, that is male or female, anything. Then what is your designation, that is the proprietor. For example, you're citizen of India, you have to click that, and the PAN number and your Aadhaar number will be given. Then comes the residential address, that is the exact address of where you live. You have to write there. You have to find it on the map and you have to mark it here, or you can search on the given search option. Write the detail of it, you will get it exactly. Then after confirming it like this, you can confirm it by moving the app, and then you will get all the details. You have to fill the other details, that is the locality, building number, then the flat floor number, all, and check all the things. And you have to move down to the document upload, where to upload your photograph. It should be your photograph, and it should be a maximum of 100 KB. You have to choose it from your files like this. Then you can choose any file, select it, and it's done. You can delete it and you can see the photo from here. Next is the authorized signatory, where you have to say yes, it is the signature of yours, and then you have to save and continue. It will show you the warning, you have to save details and proceed further. You have to say yes. After that, it will show a progress of 77%, that is huge. So we are very near to complete the registration process. After that, you have to tick on the primary authorized signatory and you have to just save and continue. After that, you will have another thing, that is 79%. You have moved further. Then you will have the details of the authorized representative, that is if you want a representative like C or anything. If not, you can save and continue. After that, the most important part, where there will be details of the place you have the business. You have to search on like the same you have done in the residential address. You confirm it 100%. After confirming it, it will be seen down the exact information. Then you have to place the floor and the premises building information, then is locked. After that, you have to write the restriction sector, the sector in which it is, the option will be given. Then you have to select the magistrate like this, the division and the range. You can put it down and you can get it like this. You can get of any state like this, like the example Lucknow one. You can select the region like this. After that, you have to move on for the further details, that is the nature of position of the premises. That is what exactly is the premise, like is it consented, is it leased, is it owned by you, is it rented by you, is it shared by you with someone. If it is rented, you have to write rented, and the rent agreement you have to upload it here. so that it shows the proof it's rented by you only on the contract, and you have to upload it. After uploading it, it's uploaded like this. You can click on it and check it if it's the only document. And the next is document upload. Proof of, you have to show the proof. That is, what is the proof you have shown? That is the rent and lease, or you can show the electric bill you pay for that place, like this. And why did you have the premises? Why did you use it for? What did you use it for exactly? For anything like for warehouse or for retail business or any other thing imported, or you have to select all the things. And like, I selected supplier of services and save and continue. Now it shows 96% done. After that we will move and continue. After that, it's about the goods and services. You have to at least specify 5 top services you give in your business. You have to write it here, or you can write the SHN code. You can Google it down, or you can write wire, for example, wire. So it will show you what type of things you do, or services. Like education, you give education. So it will show what type of education services you give, like healthcare, anything. It should be at least 5, not more than 5 or less than 5. You can't add more than 5 in it. Save and continue. Next, it's 98% done. Next is the state specific information. Every state has different. It can be compulsory, no, it cannot be compulsory. Like here, it is not compulsory. So we will skip this and save and continue. Professional tax employees, so we can save and continue. So it's almost done. Then we have the Aadhaar card authorization, where we have to show the authorization. Then we have to save and continue. It will give you warning and you have to say okay. Then it's 100% done. You have to just tick it that you're the person who is doing this all registration, and you have to write your signatory, the place you are from, where you have filled this form, and then you have to submit it with EVC. That electric verification code will be given on your email ID, and you have to fill it in this OTP, and then validate OTP. Then you have successfully done the submission. Now the government and the system will decide how to check your information. Thank you.